Okay, here we are at sunrise with a bird from the land of the rising sun. It's been a while since the Zero's been out. Take it up, test out its trim, make sure everything's centered and balanced, and if everything is good on this flight, the run cam 2 will go on the next flight.
Middle rates, high rates.
So make sure it can go. Why is it going to the left like this? So is this tail gear kind of stuck to the left or what? So, try and take off again. Oh, the grass is feeling pretty thick right here. Okay, you're clear. I'm gonna take off to the left. So I'm up. Okay. Oh my God, there goes that.